14 months ago, I was 55 years old, stupid short for retirement, working way too much for way too little. Fast forward to today, I've now made over $670,000 online as a grandma from Ontario, Canada, without a degree, without being techie, without a big following. You want to know how? Let me break it down for you in this video. I'm going to show you how pre-built digital products with master resale rights made it possible for me to go from struggling financially to now living our dream retirement. 55 years of age. And if I can do it, why not you, my friends? Hey, I'm Wendy. I'm just a grandma from Ontario, Canada. Nothing special about me other than I had a desire for change. Because literally, we got our financial act together late. I became a grandma and I just wanted to be more present with my grandchildren. But financially, I still needed to make an income. The way it looked is both my husband and I would have to work well past 65 just to make enough to survive. And that didn't allow for much extra for doing fun things that we wanted or planned or hoped for in our retirement. I wanted more time with my grandkids and less time stuck at work. So that's what led me to looking to see what there was available online, to see if I could even do it. I honestly struggled for like 5 years, bumps and lumps, and wasted and lost money on my journey. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what I'm doing now that actually works and hopefully save you from all that trial and error yourself. So if you just want to see how it works, I'm going to share with you my Freedom Formula Blueprint. You can grab it for free. Just put Freedom below and I'll make sure you get a copy of that. I want to share with you the power of pre-built digital programs. That to me was a total game changer because I tried a bunch of other programs, like I said, but when I found this in February of 2024, that changed the whole game for me. It's like a complete business in a box. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to worry about inventory or customer service. It is all done for you. Now, the program I'm learning from has a master resale rights attached to it. That means once you purchase the program, it's an educational e-learning program. You start learning from it. You can get licensed from the program to have the ability to resell it and make 100% profit, right? Like 100% profit from a course that you're learning from. So then you're not just a student, you're also a seller. You see how this works? You can resell the entire program and keep 100% of the profit. For me as a complete beginner, that was a game changer. When I started, I didn't have any knowledge of creating my own digital product. I didn't even have a business idea. What would I do? How to be a hot mess express in your 50s? Like literally, I had no clue of what type of digital program I would create. So I was able to dive in, learn digital marketing skills, and start earning quickly. My very first month, I had 4 figures of income, right? Like 4 figures of income. My second month, I was making $9,000 weeks or more. That's just from reselling the exact program that I was learning from. So imagine $300, $600, even $900 sales without creating anything yourself. That is the power of what I'm going to share with you in this video with these programs. So let's talk a little bit about the e-learning industry because these numbers are massive. In 2019, the e-learning industry did $950 million for the whole year. By 2023, it was generating $1 billion a day. And that was because of what happened in the world during 2019. In 2024, that number jumped to $1.2 billion a day. And get this, by 2027, it's projected to hit $3 billion a day. Think about that, $3 billion a day. We're right on the edge of the biggest spike that's going to happen in the history of our world for online earning and digital products. So if you're wondering if now is the time, yes, now is the time. It's about to skyrocket. So how can you take advantage of this digital world and turn it into an income? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just have to plug into a proven system that's already working. If this 56-year-old grandma can do it, so can you. Now let's talk about why master resale rights are such a big deal if you're a beginner. Well, it means once you purchase a course, you get the license, the certification like this to resell the exact course. This is a live interactive training course, just like when you go to college or university. It's a live interactive course that you get the license to resell and make 100% profit from. Think of it like buying a franchise, but without the crazy upfront costs, all the monthly expenses and the headaches of running a physical business. I decided to take this program because of what it could teach me. I wanted to learn how to make money online. I wanted to learn digital marketing skills. I wanted to learn how to create an income that ran for me 24/7 without me having to be there. So think about it. Colleges, universities, you pay for a course and they sell a program over and over again. Same program. They keep all the money in their pocket. This is a digital program online. People are showing up live, interact, train you, but you have the ability to then make the profit, not the school. So that's huge in the online space. When I saw that, I was like, my mind was blown. Now let's think about it like this. Like, let's say I lost weight. I wish that was the truth because it definitely feels harder in my 50s, but let's just go with this scenario. So for example, imagine I found these amazing vitamins and I was taking them for months and I'd lost weight and I had all this energy and I was just glowing. And people were asking me, Wendy, what have you done to get these results? And I said, well, I just took these vitamins and I've been doing this with my eating and it's just given me so much more energy. And people are like, can you send me the link for those vitamins? I'd be like, yeah, sure. That is the same thing with this. People want to know, how are you making money online? And I say, hey, I took this program. So I share it with other people because they want to learn the same skill set. This program has taught me to open up 13 different income streams, and I'm currently working on another one, all because of what I've learned in this educational program. So I'm always happy to share it with other people because my goodness, it's radically changing my life. It's helping me and teaching me how to make money online. Plus, I'm able to share it with others to help them. So if you want to learn from this exact program, put yes, I do below, and I will get that in your hands so you can look into it for yourself. Now you get to make money from a course that you're learning from. It's a learn and earn program. How friggin' amazing is that? Do you know how simple this is? Like, we actually complicate it too much, but really it's just referral marketing. You're simply sharing what's worked for you with other people so that they can have it work for them, because people are looking for the exact same solution that you found. And if it works for me, it can work for them too. It can work for you too. It's the exact same formula. The only expenses I have with my program is the expenses for my payment platforms that I use, like PayPal or Square. They take a percentage because it's a service that they offer, but the rest goes 100% into my bank account. Have you ever heard of master resale rights before, or is this a totally new concept for you? Or if you just have a question about anything that I'm sharing, I answer every single one of my comments, so put them below and I will get back to you. Oh, and if you're like me, you like to see visually how things work, then you're going to want to check out the free class. You'll see that in the link below. Or you can just comment class and I'll send it to you. It walks you through every step of the business model. And honestly, I really wish I found this sooner. So imagine making money while you sleep. Like, this literally happened to me the other day. I woke up, $1,300, $1,310 was on my phone notifications when I woke up. That is the power of automation. And that's exactly what you learn how to do with this business model. It's like having a digital employee that never sleeps, that works for you 24/7. It's out there. So once your sales funnel, I know that sounds techy, but it's all provided for us in the program. Once it's set up, it collects leads, follows up with emails, and it even closes sales for you, all while you're out living life. How amazing is that, right? Now you might be thinking, Wendy, this sounds friggin' expensive. And it would be. Honestly, in the 5 years of me stumbling and bumbling around, literally, sales funnels were expensive. I've seen programs that cost thousands of dollars to build a funnel. Okay, but here's the amazing part. With this program, it's all included, right? Like, it's all included. You get the funnel, you get the website built for you, you get the email marketing system, and 0 monthly fees, right? You heard that right. Zero monthly fees. So let me tell you, that is such a big friggin' deal, because in those 5 years of me stumbling and bumbling around, I spent over $171 a month just for my email marketing campaign. That was just one platform alone. But this program, it's all provided for free. We use an email marketing service called System.io, and it's absolutely for free. It's not a free trial. It's free for up to 2,000 subscribers. I had 0 monthly costs until I hit 6 figures. And then it cost me about $27 a month. So if you're not techie like me and you don't want a large outlay of money every month while you're trying to build a business, This was a game changer. So if you've been hesitant to start an online business in the past because of all the costs, this program really eliminates that barrier. It's all done for you and very budget friendly. Okay, let me show you how all this works in real time. This past January and February, while it was friggin' cold in Canada, we escaped the winter because I don't have any patience for being friggin' cold anymore. We went to the Dominican, we went to Florida, and because of the automated sales system that I set up, the automated funnel, I was making sales from my phone. I was making sales from my lawn chair while I was enjoying the sunshine and living life with my family. And my funnel keeps bringing me in sales day after day after day. But Wendy, I'm not an influencer. Good, neither was I. You don't need to go viral or spend any money on ads. I started with 0 followers and now my social media channels bring me in leads every single day. The course teaches you free marketing strategies to get your message in front of people who are looking for what you have to offer. When I started, I had no idea how to market myself online. The program taught me how to post on social media to actually connect with people. And no, you don't have to dance on TikTok unless you want to. I have done that with my grandkids. It's actually kind of fun. Okay, here's a fun fact. TikTok's fastest growing age group right now, our age group. Yep. Who knew? And YouTube, well, that's become another income stream for me. Check out my YouTube earnings. I never would have thought I would have had a YouTube channel, but here I am making money off YouTube, all because of what I've learned from this digital program. Imagine turning a simple 30-second TikTok video into a $900 sale. That is the power of these programs. So you don't need a huge following. You just have to show up, learn a new skill set, and at 56 years of age, if I can do it, then why not you? So what would you do if you had an extra $5,000 or $10,000 a month and complete time freedom? This business model is totally location free, which is what I was dreaming to create an income with for our retirement. So I had a lot more options in my life. So whether I'm hanging out at home, whether I'm traveling with my husband, or just playing with my grandkids, I can make an income from my phone or my laptop. So I went from working 40 plus hours a week and struggling to make enough for retirement to working just 2 to 3 hours a day from my phone wherever I want to be, retiring early, and that freedom that's allowed me to travel, spend more time with my grandkids, and finally do things that I honestly never thought was going to be possible for me. And it's not just me. In our community, we have retirees, we have young moms, even college students that are doing this full time. So if you're tired of trading time for dollars, this could be just what you're looking for to help flip the script in your life. Start figuring out how you can create a more time freedom retirement. Start creating a more flexible way to earn. So what you want to do is you want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint and watch the free class so that you can understand how this works and get started today. Because this could be exactly what is going to make the difference for your life, just like it has for me. So now that you know how I made $670,000 in under 14 months, retired at 55 years of age because of a master resale rights program, you might be thinking, okay, but can I see some actual proof of these sales you're talking about? Absolutely. Just click on the next video. It'll show you exactly how the pieces all come together. And when you combine what you learned in this video with what you're going to see here, it's really going to click. I'll see you in the next video.